Hello everybody, welcome to our video lesson about the second week of our remote learning process. In this second week we are going to learn how to do computer programs. The first activity you have here is to try different challenges, different 10 small challenges, and clicking here you go to the challenges and you can solve it. It takes time to solve it, so be patient and try it. But if you find that that some of them are very difficult, then stop. I will send you the solutions if it is very difficult for you. Our video today is to learn how to go and start with Scratch. To start with Scratch, we have to go to the website of the Scratch. Here you have the link. So you go to the Scratch. Here you have two options. One is to open your account if you have it, but if you don't have it yet, create it here. It is going to ask you some information and at the end a Google account. Once you have created, you can use your credentials to open your Google account. No, sorry, your Google account, your Scratch account. So you click here, you type here your nickname, your keyword, and start session. And when you start session, you come here. Okay, here in my account, I have here all the programs I have already created. Look how many programs I have created. There are even different versions for the same program. Okay, this is, for example, one version for the calculator and another one. What can we do with this? This is to go inside and go working on the same project. Okay, or if, for example, it's something you have done and you don't want to have it anymore, then you can delete it. This is what I'm gonna do, because here I have written project to delete. I didn't delete it because I forgot, but when I open it, I see that I have to delete it, so I delete it. Okay? So it is deleted. And now we are going to start a new project. To start a new project, I go to creating a project, and the first thing I'm gonna do is to give it a name. I give the name again project to delete, because this is just to try. Project to delete, and I will delete it later. Project to delete. Good. So look at the screen, at the main screen, you have in Scratch. Here is what everything is going to happen, is the scenario where all the action is going to take place. Here you have all the characters that you can use. For example, I'm gonna open a new one. I don't know, the beetle. Okay, I have the beetle and the cat now here all together. And here is the working area, and you have all the instructions here organized in different types, in categories. So let's start by doing something with the cat. If I want the cat to do something, I will drag the instructions, for example, for the cat to move 100 steps. And later I want it to wait in control. I find wait, for example, 2 seconds, and after waiting 2 seconds, I want it to say something. So say hello students. Hello students. and when I wanted to do that. Normally, with Scratch, there is instructions to start the program. That is the green flag. So in events, I want to start this when the green flag is clicked, and then I want the cat to move one steps, wait 2 seconds, and say hello. And for the beetle, okay, I select the beetle, and now I give instructions to the beetle. For the beetle, again, when the green flag is clicked, I want it to turn 180 degrees so that it moves to the other place and move only 50 steps, and that's all. Okay, let's see how they do it. If you click here and type and click on the green screen, they move, and after 2 seconds the cat says hello. Okay, now let's save it. Let's save the program. Save now. Normally it's saved automatically, but if you save, it is saved. And where is it? It is here in your folder. Or you can okay, you save it in your folder. Look, it is project to delete. Here is the project. You can delete it, or you can go on working on it. Let's do that. We go back to the project, and you have the same. Okay. Once you have finished, you can change the name, for example, because you have finished, and instead of it is project in process, it is something you have finished. Or you can also save as a copy if you want to have different versions. Okay. Or you can save to your computer. When you save to your computer, what you do is to download the project so that you can send it to your teacher, to me, for example. That is something you have to do. So you save to your computer, and the name of the project, when you save to your computer, is going to be project to delete 005.sb3. Okay, this is going to be the name. So you have to give this name, but this is to know that this is going to be the name. Okay, the extension name is going to be SB3. But I have finished now. Okay, I think you have learned it. If you want to see the video again, you can see as many times as you want to. And now you have to go to the next video where more information, more instructions are given about how to do your first project of Scratch. So hope you have learned a lot, and see you next day in another video or any other activity. Thank you for watching.